Hi, Adina here. I'm going to take you through the process of assembling your Aussie Pro Bike. First, cut the bands, open the box, and carefully cut off the sides. Next, you will now remove all the components and set aside unwrapped. It is recommended to have a mate help you out. Next, take the wrench provided and unbolt the 2 bolts that are securing the bike frame to the plywood packaging. Next, insert the 4 rubber foot pads into the front and rear stabilizer. Then take the 2 wheels and attach them to the front stabilizer. Take the front stabilizer and position under the bike frame so that the holes are aligned. Do the same for the rear stabilizer. Bolt the front and rear stabilizer to the frame with the large bolts provided. Be sure to hand tighten each one first before going back and tightening all the way. Next, attach the top console mount. Remove the 2 bolts. Carefully pull the wire out of the frame and weave through the console mount. Be sure not to pinch the wire. Line the holes up and hand tighten the 2 bolts before fully tightening. Next, attach the console. You will need to remove the 4 bolts in the back and insert the 2 batteries provided. Connect the wires and attach the console to the mount with the 4 bolts. Next, attach the water bottle holder with the 2 bolts provided. Next, place the seat on the seat post. You will be able to adjust it left, right, and up and down before fully tightening. Make sure to have the seat level from the front to the back. Next, attach the arm bars. Carefully screw the large bolts into the frame. Fully inserting, connect the lower linkage arm by inserting the bolt through the eye and screwing the nut on. You can now fully tighten the arm bars with the wrench provided. Next, attach the pedals. They are marked left and right. The left pedal will attach by rotating in a counterclockwise rotation. Once they are hand tight, be sure to go back and fully tighten with the wrench provided. Okay, your Aussie Pro Bike is ready to ride. Let's go.